Bitcoin Market Journal, we've developed a fresh approach where we blend traditional value investing with crypto investing using a simple strategy. We make monthly investments into a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and up to 10% quality crypto assets. We hold on to them for the long term, 5 or more years. Over time, this approach has greatly outperformed traditional investors who stay away from crypto. We gently refer to them as the non-believers. We've spent 5 years refining these principles with articles, research reports, and investor scorecards. You can read all those on our site, or you can watch this quick video series. Today, we answer the question that everybody wants to know: how do I find good crypto investments? Here's our top 4 picks. Number 1, Bitcoin is the most established. It has the longest history, the most market cap, and it's the best well-known brand. Now, Bitcoin has not lived up to its promise as a global digital currency, meaning you can't really use it to buy things. However, it can serve as a hedge against traditional market uncertainty. Think of it a bit like digital gold. Number 2, Ethereum is the largest smart contract network. Think of it like the operating system for crypto. It's the platform upon which most crypto applications are built, which means it has the most developers, the most users, and the most transactions. These are powerful network effects and make a great competitive moat. Also, Ethereum has shown that it can continue to innovate and upgrade. It's got great leadership in the form of Vitalik Buterin. Number 3, Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange. Now, our thesis is that buying the Binance token, BNB, is a little bit like investing in the Binance company. Now, the company does face significant regulatory uncertainty. However, they've got a great product, and Binance has successfully navigated the tricky legal waters of crypto for years. Number 4, Uniswap is the largest decentralized exchange. One of the proven use cases of crypto is trading crypto for other crypto, and Uniswap has really pioneered this decentralized model of doing this, and they continue to innovate as the DEX industry standard. You can also think of investing in Uniswap as a bit of a hedge against the possible shutdown of Binance. Beyond these 4, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, and Uniswap, other category leaders are good long-term bets. So identify the categories of crypto that you think will last over the long term, and then invest in the top 1 or 2 companies in those categories today. We also call this sector investing, and our guide to sector investing can help. Now, equally important to finding good crypto investments is staying away from the bad ones. But how do you know which ones are the bad ones? That's what we'll cover next. Keep watching.